Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wealthfront Cash Account Review My Usage Experience. Wealthfront Cash Account Review My Usage Experience offers a high-yield cash account designed for everyday banking and investing. It aims to help users maximize their cash returns while maintaining easy access to their funds. Key features include competitive interest rates and FDIC insurance. Their website provides details on the specifics of their interest rates and account features. Wealthfront positions itself as a convenient, transparent alternative to traditional banks, highlighting ease of use and the lack of hidden fees or minimum balance requirements. They emphasize their straightforward pricing model and the security offered by FDIC insurance. Availability is nationwide for US residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wealthfront Cash Account Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the account was incredibly straightforward. The online application took less than 10 minutes to complete, and I was able to link my existing bank account seamlessly. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating the dashboard to check my balance or transfer funds is a breeze. I particularly appreciate the clear, real-time display of my interest earnings. The performance has been flawless, transfers have always been processed quickly, and I've never experienced any downtime or glitches. I had a quick question about the tax reporting features and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was impressive. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. While the web interface is excellent, a dedicated mobile app would be a welcome addition. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to monitor my account activity. The standout feature for me was definitely the competitive interest rate, significantly higher than my previous bank account. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Wealthfront Cash account. It has met all my needs for a convenient and high-yield cash management solution. That's my overview of Wealthfront Cash Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.